Hey faves, in today's video I bring you another biscuit recipe, sesame crackers. Now add all your dry ingredients in a mixing bowl, mix with the spatula to properly combine, then go in with butter, room temperature. Then I'll be using coconut milk. This is homemade coconut milk, pure coconut milk. Now I'll add gradually to form a dough. Now at this point I'll add my sesame seed. Now I'm just going to fold that into the dough. Now our dough is ready. I'm going to transfer this to my work surface. And I'm going to cut out the size I'll be able to work with, then roll this out. Now with my pizza cutter, I'll just cut the edges so it's nice and very neat. Then I'll cut into shape. Now this is me just doing my thing. Just poke with a fork, yes, to give it that cracker look. Then transfer to your line baking tray. Pop this into the oven to bake. And voila, our crispy homemade sesame cracker is ready. This is very crispy, like you can tell from the video. Thank you for watching.